Has issued Tornado Watch number 163, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Stevenson, Vermilion, Whiteside, Will, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, Key West Coast.